maximum 10,000 pesos. For RPT, we follow the doctrine of actual use para makarakterize, maklasify yung property. Formula, fair market value, wag mo muna i-multiply ng RPT rate, assessment level muna para makuha assessment value, multiply by RPT rate. Apat ang uri ng RPT natin. Meron tayong basic, 2% and 1% for cities and provinces respectively. Special levy na kung saan proyekto ng LGU ipapasagot sa iyo, not more than 60% ng cost of the project, installment 5 to 10 years. Special education fund, 1%, mapa city or province, idle land 5%. Then of course, exempt yung cheer ko na mnemonic natin. And next, we go to second to the last, tax remedies. Tax remedies, of course, magsisimula sa LOA, sa assessment. Sa LOA, nakapangalan dapat yung ating mga revenue officers. Notice of discrepancy, 30 days gagawa ng discussion. Preliminary assessment notice, 15. PAN, 15 days para makapag-reply. Exception meter, kung saan pwede nalaktawan ang preliminary assessment notice. FAN or FLD kambal, 15 ang FAN or FLD there for 30 days para makapag-file ng protest. Required yan, otherwise final and executory. Yung reply, optional lang, pwede mong isinzone ang PAN. Dalawang uri ng protest, recon and reinvestigation. Pinagkaiba yung reinvestigation, may submission of additional documents, 60 days. Then once mag-decide sa protest, ang tawag doon FDDA, Final Decision on Disputed Assessment, 180-day period to decide on the part of the BIR, pwede mong iakyat, CIR or CTA within 30 days. Collection, susunod kapag naging final and executory na. So, 6 modes of collection, payment, tax lien, kung saan nagdidibs na ang BIR ng ating mga property, distrain, personal property, di lupa, levy, lupa, real property, garnishment, personal property in the hands of third person, just like bank deposits, and forfeiture, kung saan if hindi successful ang levy, the real property will redound to the benefit of the government, resulting to full extinguishment of the tax liability. As to prescription, may prescriptive period sa assessment and collection. Assessment, 3 years ordinary, 10 years kung ito ay may fraud, 3 years from due date, filing, or substantial amendment, whichever is the later dates, and of course, 10 years from discovery of fraud. Collection, depende. Kung may assessment, 3 or 5 years from issuance of final assessment notice. Pero kung walang assessment, that would be 10 years from discovery. Applicable lang yan kapag may fraud, kapag walang assessment. Waiver, of course, mag-extend na prescriptive period, kailangan indicated yung 2 material dates, date of execution, and date of expiry. Next, compromise and abatement, 2 grounds, doubtful validity, 40% ang compromise rate, financial incapacity, 10%. Abatement is total cancellation. Additions, 3, interest, 12%, pero pwede maging 6% for our micro and small taxpayers. Meron tayong 3 uri ng interest, delinquency, deficiency, and interest on extended payment. Surcharge natin, 25%, pwede maging 10% for micro and small taxpayer. Pero kapag may fraud, matic yan, 50%. Then of course, compromise penalty in lieu of criminal prosecution. 4, ang uri natin ng refund, 229 for erroneous, mali ka ng bayad, 2 years from date of payment, kailangan makapag-file ka na, 180-day period to decide for the BAR, 30 days pwede mong iakyat ng CTA. 112A, input VAT on zero-rated sale, 2 years from the close of the quarter following the date when the zero-rated sales were made, 90 days for the BAR to decide, 30 days para ikaw umakyat ng CTA. 112B, retirement or cessation from business, 2 years from the cancellation of registration, same period as 112A, 90-day period to decide, then of course 30 days bago ka umakyat ng CTA. And last one, for unused credible withholding taxes, 2 years to decide from the date of dissolution. Then of course, pagkaakyat mo ng korte, ito yung summary ng judicial remedies natin, normally from BAR, Customs, DOF, Department of Agriculture, DTI, or RTC, akyat ka ng CTA. Pero may original jurisdiction ng CTA for criminal and collection cases na 1 million pesos ang amount. Division muna, 3 muna sila. Motion for reconsideration or motion new trial, 15 days. 15 days, akyat ka ng CTA NBank. Kapag NBank, siyam na sila. Kapag ayaw mo pa rin sa decision ng CTA NBank, diretso ka Supreme Court, 15 days. May mga instances na hindi nadadaan ng division, diretso NBank, such as RTC in the exercise of their appellate jurisdiction. Nagsimula MTC, RTC, diretso na CTA NBank. Or in real property taxes, nagsimula na Local Board of Assessment Appeals, Central Board of Assessment Appeals, diretso na CTA NBank, hindi nadadaan ng division. And of course, last topic, we have preferential taxation. For registered business enterprises, ang qualification ay BITS. 2 kinds, meron tayong export and domestic. Then of course, ang incentives, we have ITH na 0% income tax, 4 to 7 years. Depende sa tier, depende sa location. And of course, SCIT, 5% gross income, applicable lamang for export enterprises. Enhanced deduction, keyword natin tripled. And of course, duty exemption for capital equipment, raw materials, and spare parts. VAT exemption and VAT zero rating, kailangan directly exclusively use sa registered activity. Alam mo naman, palagi naman yun ang requisites natin. For barangay micro business enterprises, kailangan ang ating BIMBI may asset na lalagpas sa 3 million pesos, exclude mo yung lupa. Business na dapat rehistrado with DTI, SEC, or CDA, at kailangan may certificate of authority validity 2 years. Incentives, exempt from income tax, reduction of local tax, and exempted from minimum wage. For renewable energy developers, ITH is 7 years, SCIT, 10% of taxable income, enhanced NOLCO, duty exemption, credits on domestic purchases, VAT zero rating, carbon credits exemption, at reduced RPT rate of 1.5%. For double taxation agreements, tax treaty ang pinag-uusapan doon. The purpose is to minimize the effect of international double taxation. Remember, pacta sunt servanda na kailangan sundan natin yung tax treaty, and therefore treaties prevail over NIRC. We apply the preferential treaty rates kapag may TTRA, tax treaty relief application, tax residency certificate, and of course, the applicable provision of the tax treaty is provided. At sa mga tao We have SC and PWD. Ang senior citizen, 60 years old, kailangan resident citizen or dual citizen with at least 6 months residency. Kapag PWD, long-term disability. Ano ang benefits ng ating SC and PWD? Last farmer of the Philippines, may 20% discount and VAT exemption. Sa utilities, 5% discount. Pero kapag senior citizen center, 50%. Basic necessity prime commodity, 5% discount, maximum of 2.5 per week, walang VAT exemption. Solo parent, ang qualification discard, yung solo parent, child's use dapat ang bibilhin. The child must not be more than 6 years old. And kailangan purita, hindi lalagpas ng 250,000 pesos ang income kada taon. Otherwise, hindi niya kailangan ng tulong. Then of course, benefits is Mami D. Ito mga pwedeng bilhin. 10% discount and VAT exemption. So yan, mga ate ko ang diniscuss natin for the past. Yan ang mga diniscuss natin for the past. Yan ang mga diniscuss natin for the past 18 weeks. Crunch in under 40 to 45 minutes feeling ko. Ayan ang mga discuss natin sa nakalipas na 18 linggo na binalikan natin for the past 40 minutes. And of course, syempre, since ito na ang huli nating pagkikita, ako ay mag-iwan ng mensahe sa inyo, mga ate ko, di ba? Syempre, kailangan ko mag-iwan din ng mensahe. So, diliman lang natin ng konti, di ba? Diliman lang natin ng konti yung screen natin. Ayan. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, mga Marcies, na it is when you are nearest the finish line that the race becomes the toughest. That you start seeking for a sign, should I quit or pause or rest? But the fact that you reach this far is proof that you can pass the test. The fact that you aimed for the stars means that you want nothing but the best. The fact na ikaw ay, the fact na pinaglaban mo at nakarating ka hanggang sa point na ito, it means na meron ka pinanghahawakan, meron kang gustong mangyari, meron kang gustong marating. The fact that you have reached this far, wala na magsasabi sa'yo na hindi mo ipapasa ang CPA licensure examination. For why attempt to reach the end if you lose sight of the beginning? For why experience these struggles if you won't give it a meaning? For why study for months on end if it is not for the goal of learning? For why go through all these battles if you don't think of winning? Diba? Parang para saan pa? For what yung mga pinagdaanan natin? For what yung 18 weeks na tayo ay nandito? Kung in the first place, wala naman pala tayong balak lumaban. It means na nandito kayo, 3-week lectures, at the end of 18 weeks, at the end of the lectures for batch 48, it means that you have